In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant error code val5. Now first what you want to try is find your Valorant, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and enable disable full screen optimizations. You can also enable run this program as an administrator, but for some people this causes a little bit of issues. So check for yourself and see if it works. Now, if this doesn't work, what you can do is open up your Valorant to open up the right client. This is the League of Legends, but doesn't matter. Go to the settings here, find Valorant, and then press repair. Now when you repair, it's gonna look for any issues with your game client and try and fix them. Now the next thing we can try is come down here and search for CMD. Type in ipconfig/flush DNS, press enter, and then try and relaunch Valorant. Now if this doesn't work, another thing you can try is change your Valorant server, then queue up, then stop the queue, and then change back to the other server. Now if you want to know how to change the server, I'll put a picture here on how you can do it. Simply just press on the little ping icon, the three stripes, the green stripes here, and then you can change it. Now, as a last thing you can try is you can come down here, apps and features, and then simply try and uninstall Valorant. Uninstall it and then reinstall and see if this fixes your issue. Now I really hope this helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.